Hello, welcome to Operations with Polynomials, Part 3. In this lesson, we are going to discuss how to multiply polynomials. So I have three examples here. The first two are binomials of degree 1, and then the third one is a trinomial of degree 2. So first, we are going to work with multiplying examples 1 and 2. So in order to multiply polynomials, you need to remember the distributive property. So let's do a quick example of that first. For example, if I have negative 2 and times negative 2x minus 5, this is distributive property. So you distribute the negative 2 and you will get negative 4x plus 10. Well, multiplying with polynomials is the same way. You just might have more than one distribute. So, for example, I'm going to take my first binomial, which is 2x minus 5, and I want to multiply it by my second binomial, 3x plus 4. So, as you can see, this is 2 terms times 2 terms. You should be thinking to yourself, well, after I multiply, I should get 4 terms out of this, because 2 times 2 is 4. So, really what that means is you have 2 distributes. So, basically, this first binomial distributes to the second one. So I visualize it like this: 2x minus 5 times 3x plus, because these are additions, then I have 2x minus 5 times 4. So what I've done is I've distributed the first group to each term in the second group. And now what we have are 2 separate distribute problems. So this one I'm going to distribute 3x to both terms, and in this one I'm going to distribute 4 to both terms. So 3x times 2x, the coefficients give me 6, and then according to my exponent rules, x times x gives me x to the second. Then I have 3x times negative 5. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, and I have no exponents to add, so that's an x to the first. In my second set of distribute, I am distributing 4. 4 times 2x, that gives me 8 as the coefficient, and x is my variable. And then I'm multiplying constant terms, so I get 4 times negative 5, which is negative 20. Now, you can see I'm done multiplying, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Now, they should line up in order if the original 2 terms were, or 2 polynomials were in order. Then these 4 terms should be in order. So we have degree 2, degree 1, and then the constant term. So that means that these 2 are like terms and can be added or counted. So negative 15 plus 8, that would give me negative 7 of that term, minus 20. So here is my final expression. It is a trinomial, degree 2.